Do you need tips on posing your friend or unexperienced model in the studio? Outdoors is easier, studio is more difficult. Over the years, I've developed a very easy 3-step technique which I'm going to share with you today. And for those watching my channel first time, my name is Zdenka and I'm a former model, and I currently work as a professional photographer, so let's get started. Most of the people are very shy, nervous, or have very low self-esteem in front of the camera. Even your friends might be very relaxed with you, but as soon as you pull out the camera, they'll change their mood. It is up to you to change it. Make them comfortable and compliment them. When I have new person coming to studio, I always offer coffee, tea, water, juice, even snack. Anything to make them feel like home. I look at them and compliment something which stands out. It can be their face, eyes, makeup, jewelry, wardrobe, their fit body, or friendly personality. Anything you see that makes them amazing. Every person is amazing in a certain way. Make them feel like a star right from the beginning. They will open up much faster. Start with very simple poses, small changes, and small movements. Show the pose first, be their mirror, as most people don't think at the moment which is their right and left hand or leg. The more action you use, less words you use, the better it is. Use lots of hand movements in the shots. Place hands on the face, in the hair, on the belt, and in the pockets. I don't recommend holding an object unless that object completely belongs to the scene. If you're outdoors, flower or leaf can do it, but an object in the studio might look tacky. If your model is tense and cannot relax, don't push it. Let them sit down on the floor, you do the same. Talk about life, fun things, or just about anything. Have your camera always ready and snap away here and there to get the true emotions and reactions. Once they are calmed and relaxed, stand up and again do some more posing. If you see something on your camera which bothers you, like your lighting setup, make sure you don't show disappointed face no matter what. The model will always think that it is her or him what you're not happy with, and they will shut down. I actually prefer working with models which never been on camera. I love it when I can get the true personality out, the raw of them. It is so rewarding. Working with very experienced models is good too, but sometimes it is difficult to steer them your direction. They have their own favorite poses and that's it. If it is a general shoot, don't just do different poses, shoot different parts. I always shoot face, beauty shot or headshot, full body shot, 3/4 or from knees up, some profiles, movement, action shots, and sitting shots where I usually concentrate on moods and expressions. So that is it for today's video, how to pose a friend or non-model in the studio. I would love to hear from you what worked and what didn't work for you when you took photos of your friend. Or if you didn't do the shoot yet, let me know what you are planning on doing and I might give you some tips specifically for you with simply commenting below. Or comment if you have specific video requests. Feel free to like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Ahoy.